Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eats. Today we are making a Oreo cake. For our ingredients today, we have unsalted butter, sugar, cake flour, eggs, milk, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract, and almond extract. And you need Oreo cookies. That is the most important part of the cake. Then you want to shift together your baking flour and your salt with your cake flour. First, we are going to cream our 2 sticks of butter. I like to cream my butter before I add anything else. So we're going to cream our butter until it is fluffy. We are adding our wire attachment. I like to cream my butter for about 5 minutes so that it gets fluffy like I like it. And as you can see right here, it is fluffy. Once our butter is done, we are going to add our paddle attachment. You want to gradually add your sugar. Here I'm adding in my 2 cups of sugar. And you're going to cream that until it is light and fluffy. Here I'm scraping down the sides to make sure that all the butter and the sugar is mixed together. We are adding in our 4 eggs, so we're going to add 1 egg at a time to our cream mixture. And you want to make sure that you scrape down your bowl after each additional egg. Then you want to add in your flour mixture. And you want to alternate that with your milk. And now we're adding in our flour mixture, which is our flour, our salt, and our baking powder. And here we're adding our milk. So we add flour, then milk, flour, then milk, flour, then milk. You want to scrape down your bowl to make sure you have all your flour and your milk mixture together. We're going to continue with this process until all our flour and milk is done. Okay, now our cake mixture is done. You don't want to overbeat your cake or you will yield a dry cake. Here we are adding in our crushed Oreo cookies to our cake mixture. We're going to add that gradually. Now that we are done adding our Oreos, we are now going to add our cake mixture to our cake pans. You want to make sure that you spray your cake pans with some type of cake release so that the cake doesn't stick. And we're going to bake this at 350 for 20 to 25 minutes. Here I am taking the cakes out of the pan, and we're getting ready to ice it with our Oreo buttercream icing. This part we're really not going to talk. I just wanted to show you the process of me icing the cake. I wanted a 2-layer cake. I didn't want a 4-layer, so I didn't cut my cakes. Okay, so I have transferred the cake to a plate, and now I'm going to add some rosettes on the side of the cake, and then I'm going to add some rosettes on the top of the cake. And I cut some Oreos in half, and we're going to add the Oreos to the top of the rosettes. Then, to jazz up the decoration on the cake, I added some whole Oreos to the side of the cake. It turned out really cute. Okay, so I'm cutting the cake, and I wanted to show you the inside of the cake. And here is a piece of cake. Now, I didn't cut it perfectly, so I just wanted to show you the inside, and it was so yummy. And then at the end, you get to see the cake inside and the whole decoration. So I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.